Guys, on the short term, the market conditions have been changing, and I've actually shared that yesterday over in the WhaleAlerts Telegram channel. And in this video, I will explain to you exactly basically what changed and how you can use this knowledge or this metric in your advantage. Okay, so what we have seen yesterday, guys, when we have actually over the past couple of days, when we have a look at whaleportal.com, we actually saw that the funding rates, average funding fee, which is very important, not a separate funding fee, but the average funding fee was negative for a period of time. This was actually over the weekend, but what we have seen basically is that the Bitcoin price hasn't really gone up. And normally when the market is actually in a when we are in a bull market, it can be a short-term bull market or a broader bull market, the price has to go up with negative funding. That didn't happen. So that actually made me bearish, and that's also why I shared over on WhaleAlerts that I don't think the price is going to come down. And when we have a look at Bitcoin, we actually had a peak right here. We also, at that exact moment, it was at 6 o'clock in the evening, we actually had a nice signal over on the premium index. If we go right here, we can see we get right here at 6 o'clock a nice signal over on the premium index, and eventually Bitcoin is just coming down, breaking below the 4-hour EMA ribbon, showing that on a 4-hour time frame we might be back in a downtrend, although right now in the shorter term time frame we still could see a bounce. So guys, this is basically one of the metrics that I think almost no one is using or is using in the right way, and those are the funding rates. So if we are, for example, seeing the funding rates are negative and the price is not going up, then it will tell you exactly in what type of market conditions we are right now. And also we had another signal actually over on whaleportal, which was the Bitcoin balance on exchanges increasing right here, which is showing that investors are sending their Bitcoin to exchanges, of course, most likely, nothing is certain, with the intention to sell them. So that was actually the reason how we actually could predict that the price of Bitcoin is going to go down. Also based on time, based on cycles, we are getting closer to that 60-day cycle low, and I will share with you over on WhaleAlerts as well if whenever the time is there to go long again on Bitcoin, whenever the time is going to change, and whenever the season, short-term season of upwards price movement is starting again. Guys, if you want to join WhaleAlerts, make sure to join bybit with the affiliate link down below. Submit your user ID over on whaleportal.com. If you appreciate these short updates and this nice little knowledge that I'm sharing with you for free, make sure to leave a thumbs up. If you are new, make sure to subscribe. And overall, guys, just make sure you understand these types of things, because I never heard any other trader talking about. Of course, people talk about funding rates. When it's negative, the price should go up. When it's positive, price should go down. But there is a deeper dimension to these funding rates. You can actually can see the market conditions that we are trading in just based on the funding rates, and I think a lot of people underestimate that, and I think derivatives exchange data is the best indicator for short-term price movements, and we are presenting that on a silver platter over on whaleportal.com, and I think that can help a tremendous big amount of traders in becoming profitable during this bull cycle, because a lot of people basically don't understand this or use these metrics in the wrong way or don't use it to their full extent. Okay guys, that was for today's video. Wish you all a beautiful day, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next one. Bye bye.